Tired of boring appetizers? Let's spice things up with some cheesy, delicious stuffed mushrooms. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Grab 20 large white mushrooms and gently wipe them clean with a damp paper towel. Pop off the stems and finely chop those up. Don't worry, they're not going to waste. In a medium bowl, mix the chopped stems with 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1/4 cup of finely chopped fresh parsley, 1/4 cup of softened cream cheese, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Give it a good stir until everything's cozy. Now, season the mixture with salt, pepper, and if you're feeling adventurous, a pinch of red pepper flakes for that extra kick. Using a small spoon, stuff each mushroom cap with this delicious mixture, pressing it in gently. Place those beauties on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until they're tender and golden brown on top. Serve them hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of extra parsley for that fancy touch. And there you have it, easy, cheesy, and downright delicious Parmesan stuffed mushrooms. Enjoy!